Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of AdScouter. So it is a dashboard of AdScouter. You can see this software has so many options, but literally it seems to me that this dashboard is it is like too empty, is more empty as the middle portion has not filled by any stuff. Okay, so let's get into one by one each option, and let me show you what you can do. This is showing us empty on this software, but let me clear you firstly that this software is literally a massive package with so many features and facilities, specifically who want to run ads, and ad is the future, online ad is the future, you know, so everyone can use it who want to earn online. Okay, so let me show you the options. So these are the options. You can easily search, you can easily search all you can search using text. You can search CTA button. CTA buttons means call to action button or call to action text. Okay, I mean the text which is written on the button. Okay, you can search the text also. Okay, you can use it, you can search using domain name, you can search using image, you can search using the text written on the image, you can search using cursor. Okay, so there are so many options that you can see. You can use the platforms you can as filter for searching. You can use Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, whatever you want, you can do. Okay, you can search ad types, image, video, carousel, ad status, the profit score. This is a literally very good option has given on this software, and this is literally brand new, and this is totally brand new, and I have not seen such kind of software anywhere. Okay, so these are the all scores and the extremely profitable ad running on at any instant. You can see extremely profitable ads, and you can use it very easily. You can see here they have given total 60 languages worldwide, popular 60 languages. Okay, these are the advertiser. You can exactly write the name of any advertiser, as you know that. Let me put here Lenovo. Okay, let me put Lenovo Thailand. Okay, so now let me click on the search ads. Okay, once I have clicked on it, maybe my internet is not slow, but maybe this software runs a little searching procedure. That's why it's take a few second times, and you can see now Lenovo Thailand is giving these kind of ads, and you use the ad as reverse engineering for your advertisement. Okay, you can just study any ads, and you can use it totally good, totally proper way. Okay, which ad is really profitable. These ads are moderately profitable, but maybe this is under testing. Okay, that means the Lenovo Thailand has already released the ad just a few days ago. Okay, you can see they released the ad on 5th October. Okay, this ad is already this ad is being tested now. Okay, by them. Okay, these ads are not profitable. They have not done so much with these ads, but this is moderately profitable. Okay, now let me uncheck this, and let me put here weight loss. Okay, once I have clicked enter, okay, it will take time there, as it is showing if I put any long tail keyword, it will take so much more time. If I put little word, and it will show me in less time. Okay, it is showing me it is taking time. Okay, let me introduce other options with you. Okay, so this option is campaign. This campaign needs to be upgrade this version. On the front end version you cannot use it. Once I have clicked on it, you can see this is asking for any upgrade. Okay, and the reverse search option, this option is very good. You can search anything. You can search let me put this AdScouter image on it. Okay, once I have put on it. Okay, let me put a little size image. Okay, this image is little. This will take a little time, and that's why I have put a small image. Okay, So once I have put it, it will show me. It takes time as it is uploading. After that it will run the search process. Okay, that is why it is taking time. And let me clear you very firstly that I am giving you huge bonuses with this software. Okay, I will show you after showing the review, after showing this software, I will show you what I am giving you. Why should you buy from me, or you can skip the part and you can check the bonuses. Okay, very easily. And it is taking so much time. Okay, it is literally annoying. Okay, but it has come goodly. It has come. So you can see I have put the AdScouter image, and it is showing me this kind of ads. I have put this image. Okay, let me show you. I have put this image. Okay, this is similar, and these images are similar to that image. Okay, you can see this is a perfect tool who want to run ad and who want to research, who want to earn ad. Okay, earn from online ads. Okay, so these are the ads. This is the ad spotlight feature. You can see they are giving you at any instant. You can find any extremely profitable ad, and you can copy their statistics, their landing page. Okay, whatever you want you can do. Okay, you can save, you can subscribe them, you can follow them. Okay, you can see the home page of them, and you can explore more ads by them. Okay, whatever you want you can do. Okay, so this is one of their home page. This is the landing page, maybe, I don't know. No, this is not the landing page, but this is the landing page, I think. Okay, you can easily check their landing page. Okay, why they are converting so much. You can easily copy their steps, and also using your creativity, your experience. Okay, your knowledge. Okay, so this is a pretty much good landing page. Okay, that is why this ad is running very much profitable. Okay, so these are the ads, and this is all of the steps. You can change your landing page via while changing your ad. You can whenever you are targeting the children, you can change your landing page, and whenever you are targeting the audience, you can change your you can change your advertisement. You can change your landing page using the targeting the age and targeting more categories. Okay, so this was an overview of the software. Oh, so this is the tutorial. I think you should go through firstly after once you have opened this software, you should go through these tutorials, then you can use all of this option. Okay, then you should use it. This is support and this is upgrade. Okay, so let me now show you which bonus I am giving you. So this is the value of the bonus, $6,397 custom bonuses. I have collected it from so many days. No one is giving you. If someone give more than me, you should go by them. Okay, this principle is very simple. If someone giving more than me, you should go by them. If they are not, you should buy from me. I am showing you what I am giving. This is a meme created by me. I want you to choose your product with a big smile. Okay, so I want you to visit this page and let yourself read it by yourself. Okay, so these are the ratings I have put here. This has got overall 9.6 rating, which is extremely good, and this got little bit lower because I never consider market hits on this overall section, but the ease of use is little bit lower. That is why it has got 9.6. Otherwise this software is literally insane. You can see the feature and facilities and performance rating. Okay, so these are the feature and facilities, and the others are not giving this, and AdScouter is giving this. You can see, you can also read out this. Okay, so this is there is also a 30 days money back guarantee, no question money back guarantee. Okay, so there are some coupon code also. Okay, let me pause it, sorry. There are some coupon code also, you can see these are the coupon codes. You can use it as an early bird. Okay, so this video was running, I think. So this is a demo video. Okay, so these are the, let me go through the bonuses. Okay, let me directly go to the bonuses. So these are the testimonials, and this owner is really popular owner, and totally like an old horse on this racing course, and very much good owner. These are the upsells you can read out by yourself by visiting in this page. The video description link is a link of this page. Okay, so you can visit this, and these are the bonuses I am giving you. Let me show you each bonuses, and I can explain each of the bonuses, but I don't want to make the video lengthy. Rather I want you to visit this, and you should go through them by yourself once you have decided to purchase it. Okay, once you have purchased the main product from my side, which is only $37, and you will be redirected to these bonuses. All of the bonuses will be yours, and I have collected it from so many days. I am working on this field from so many days. Okay, so after 50 bonuses I was just tired, and I have decided to put it as 220 plus mega bonuses. Okay, cause literally no man has so much time to read out this, and also no man has so many time to write out this. Okay, that is why I have used these tactics, and I have put it as mega bonuses, more than 220 plus bonuses. And there must be so many softwares, and some PDFs, and some SEO stuff or WordPress plugin. Okay, so you can clicking by this button, you can visit the software and the bonuses also. So once you have purchased the product, you can click on this blue button to access the bonuses. Okay, so that was the review. So these are some frequently asked question answer. You can read out also this. I am signing out for the day, so bye bye.